got a new build
behind this BMW.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be working on the Audi again. As you know from the previous video, we basically sanded and
yes,
prepped the entire car.
for paint. So it's actually now paint ready. So
It is now paint ready. There's one thing I still have to do, and the front bumper, after we sanded, I saw that we need to apply some microstopper fine here and there. So I'm just gonna apply some microstopper fine, sand that down, and then everything is ready for some paint.
yes.
And then also, guys, we did get a bucky back, so let's
Show you the footage.
Let's show you the footage now.
So shouldn't it be the other way around? The bucky should go get the bolts and not the BMW should get the bolts.
Yes. But luckily we got the bucky back now.
Finally.
And
those people took way too long to do their job.
They took really long. But they got the engine in and like built the mountings and built mountings for the gearbox. And also I think they made the rear prop shaft longer, and the front one must I think come shorter. I don't think they did that.
Yeah.
And then also the throttle body needs to be welded on.
Yep.
Which they didn't do. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know what they did, man. They just had excuses every time. But in a way, that is in the past. We just decide we're gonna do it ourselves.
The engine is in. That was our major problem.
Yeah, because we don't have a lift to go put it in.
We don't have like a lift and to see how everything should move and all that.
Yeah.
And
But luckily, that is done now.
that's done.
So
we've got a new build.
behind this BMW, that's
Just
why you
standing
keep
there.
the hood up so that I can't see it, or the bonnet. Yeah, it's the what is
trunk.
it? The trunk, yes.
So we got a new build. It is a client's car, but we are gonna completely rebuild it.
Strip it, paint it,
Color, we're gonna
upholstery.
do a color change, upholstery, all that. So that's
And it's a
gonna look
classic
nice.
build, basically, like, right?
It's a classic build. Yes.
Yeah, he wants it in a showroom condition build. So, but we'll reveal that a bit later.
And I think that's gonna be awesome.
Oh, I can't wait.
So as you can see, they built the engine mountings here, guys, and then also everything actually fitted perfectly, you know.
Yeah, so it wasn't necessary for a drift drop like we
They
thought
didn't
it
do
would.
a diff drop or anything. What they actually did is they left the gearbox and built extra engine or extra mountings for the gearbox to fit it higher and extended the prop shaft and all that. But they didn't need it. It wasn't necessary to do a diff drop.
Yes.
So, but they also thought it was, but
Yeah.
at the end it wasn't.
So actually it fitted perfectly in.
Yes.
So what's left to do on it?
So basically, they the throttle body hit the firewall, so they cut the pipe and then extended it.
Because we didn't want to cut into the firewall.
Yes. So
So-
basically now we need to weld the throttle body back on, which they didn't finish. But it's
That
not-
was the only thing we were waiting for them to do, and they had so many excuses. Each time we phoned them and went there to see how far they were with the build and
Yes,
stuff like that. Yeah.
But we're just gonna
Try to
figure
do it
that out
ourselves,
yes.
or maybe send it in again to someone who actually knows.
Remove the intake, take it off, and then send it to someone just to weld. You don't have to send the entire car again.
Yes.
But
Yeah, but we're not gonna build or work on this thing right now because we've got still have the Audi to paint and that Mazda to finish and the
new build.
just hear it. I'm not gonna show you the new build.
So,
Yeah,
But yeah.
we'll see you guys then.
So we're glad we got the bucky back, guys. But we are not going to work on it now. We are going to continue on the Audi. So we want to finish it first before we start
On the new build. I'm so excited about it. I really want to show you guys, but we decide we're going to keep it a secret until we're done with the Audi, because we don't want to jump around too much with the videos. We want to finish one project and then move on to the next one.
Next one, yes.
So,
So I'm gonna start with the front bumper and let's finish the Audi.
cool. Done.
I am done.
So,
I'm just gonna clean the bumper and see if there's still any marks left, which I believe there isn't.
yeah.
And then after that we can pack everything out, re-tape up the car, you know, and then get everything ready for paint.
Cool.
So guys, it is really windy today and that's a bit of a problem. We're gonna get like a lot of dust and stuff on the paint.
Yeah, I wish we only had
A paint booth?
a paint booth so then the wind won't blow as hard as it does now.
Yes.
So, yeah, you see even stones flies. So,
So
yeah.
guys, we are not gonna paint the car today. Tomorrow is gonna be less wind according to
yes, and
what
it's
the
going to be a
weather.
bit warmer than it is today. You
And
see
it's
now
gonna be
even the
warmer.
wind stopped. See?
Yeah, so but so we are just gonna like prep everything like the bumper. We still have to sand a bit more, and then
We're just going to get everything ready for tomorrow. Then in the morning we're going to start spraying. Or do you want to spray in the afternoon? Because it's actually much warmer in the afternoon
yes,
actually.
but we can't also wait that long.
Because then the wind will pick up again.
Yeah, so
So-
the wind started today like about
1
12
o'clock.
o'clock, 1 o'clock.
Yes.
So we're gonna paint before that tomorrow morning, before the wind starts, and then the
Yeah.
weather will be nice tomorrow morning. So
Yeah. So we wanted to do it now, but we don't want to do all that work and
Yes.
then there's dust and whatever.
And all
And,
that. Then it's just gonna
Yeah.
look bad. So we're just gonna finish this thing, and then
yeah, we found one more mark over there in that corner there, so that you're gonna have to fix that anyway.
yes. So
Yeah.
I'm just gonna finish that up, and then we'll wait for tomorrow.
Cool. And it's the next day, guys.
So let's switch over to the weather broadcaster. It's a nice and sunny day, and let's paint. So there's no wind at the moment this morning, so we're basically gonna take off the tarp of the Audi and then put a new one on, because I have previously painted with like a old one, and then the overspray of the
Primer.
primer
Yeah.
actually flakes off and it just makes a mess. So I've learned that the previous time, so we're just gonna take it off, put the fresh one on, tape everything up and get everything ready to paint.
Cool. Okay, so we are basically done with the base coats. So what's left is now the clear coats.
Yes, I'm just gonna clean the gun, mix up the clear coat and give everything some clear coat.
Cool. We are done, guys.
Yeah, so the paint came out super smooth, smoother than I thought, because it is cold, not that cold, but it is cold, and luckily the wind's not blowing.
Yeah, it was blowing a bit, and then I had to remove a buck there from that fender there in the time lapse. I don't know if you guys saw, but that was basically that.
Yes.
And I mean, we didn't even spray in a spray booth, and it came out really smooth. So
man. It is luckily bug free, so there's no bugs or anything on it. But in the next video we'll probably put it back on the car, sand everything, polish it.
Yeah.
But now we have to get the video out to you guys. So thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, remember to
subscribe, please.
And give it a like.
But only if you like it, then you can subscribe.
Yes. But we'll see you next time.
Cheers.